So this is the inside of the squash, and I'm gonna remove the skin. Peel just like you're peeling pumpkin. You can use the skin, but I'll be removing the skin. It's a little harder to peel, but I will be removing the skin. After peeling and removing the middle, this is what it looks like. In Jamaica, for this chicken soup, we normally use pumpkin, but in this video, I am using butternut squash, which I've always used, especially when I'm not able to get pumpkin. So I added lots of vegetables, some chicken, and some chicken feet. And once this is boiled and cooked, we normally add a pumpkin mix with noodles in it and a powder like season. So I used potatoes, carrots, celery, chocho, known as coyote, turnips, lots of carrots. I wanted some vegetable soup with some chicken, and as a Jamaican, of course, I'm gonna dash some chicken feet in there. If you're not Jamaican, then you're not gonna know about this. I added a little black pepper, a little salt, scallion, thyme, lots of onions in my soup, especially the white onion. It gives your soup a different taste. Added some okra because that's my business. And voila, my soup is ready. Let me tell you something. On Sunday, I felt for nothing but some vegetable soup. But as a Jamaican, we have a two dumpling in there. So I added some dumplings and my dinner was ready. And I added a hot pepper because I also wanted a little spice in this. This is more Jamaican style soup. But with the exception of me using butternut squash, it also does justice to the soup. You can't tell I did not use pumpkin. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and support your girl. It's for free. I like you all for free. I know some of you been watching my videos and you don't even give it a like. Anyway, added some bay leaf to this too. So lots of veggies, some chicken, and some chicken feet in this. And listen, soup is what I'll be eating this week. Yes. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After Wednesday, I probably won't feel for any soup. What is your favorite soup? Dinner is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, share, follow if you haven't started following me. And news coming at some point this week regarding a launch for my blends. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, follow. Don't be mean. Thank you if you've shared. Thank you if you've liked. And we're coming almost to the end of October. And I know I will have even 1 or 2 giveaways during the month of October. Thank you. Bye. Grab a bowl of soup on your way out. And also don't forget, my website will be up and running soon. Launch date also coming, so stay tuned. www.shellysbickelspices.com. Bye. Have yourself a blessed and a peaceful day.